Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at the Automatic Transfer Switch, or ATS. This is more than just a simple switch. It's the intelligent brain that senses a power failure and automatically commands the ship's backup systems into action. The ATS ensures a swift and safe transfer of power to critical loads. So, why do ships need an ATS? Vessels rely on their main switchboard MSB, fed by the main generators for everyday operation. But if there's a major fault, a fire, or a flood, the main power can and will die. At that moment, the emergency switchboard, ESBD, powered by the emergency generator, must take over. The ATS is the vital link that makes this transition happen without human intervention and often with minimal interruption. Here's the breakdown of how it works. The ATS constantly monitors the voltage and frequency of the main switchboard. When the main power drops below a preset threshold, a sign of a blackout, the ATS's control circuitry registers the failure. This triggers the first crucial action. It sends a start signal to the emergency generator. As soon as the emergency generator spins up to the correct speed and its voltage and frequency are stable, which is usually a matter of seconds, the ATS performs the actual transfer. Inside the ATS, two interlocking mechanisms prevent simultaneous connection to both sources, a critical safety feature. The switch first opens the connection to the failed main switchboard and then closes the connection to the emergency switchboard. Power is now flowing from the emergency generator to all the essential services: emergency lighting, steering gear pumps, navigation equipment, and the fire pump. The ATS is a mandatory piece of equipment under SOLAS regulations, and it must be reliable. It's not a manual operation. It's a completely automatic sequence designed to preserve the safety of life at sea. When the main power is finally restored and stable, the ATS senses that too. It will typically wait for a designated cooldown period before switching the load back to the main switchboard and then commanding the emergency generator to shut down. This is the return transfer sequence. The automatic transfer switch is the silent guardian of the vessel's vital electric loads. It ensures that when the going gets tough, the essential services keep going. Reliable power transfer automatically. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.